Hello guys, welcome back to Electrical Family. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting difficulties together. Thank you for doing that. So today, this is our problem. We are having into bracket a minus 4 exponent 4 is equal to a exponent 4. In this case, we are looking for the value of a. Okay. So let's move straight away from here. We can say that bracket a minus 4 bracket root exponent 4 minus a exponent 4 is equal to 0. Now, this a minus 4 we can express it as a minus 4 all squared bracket 2 a minus a squared bracket squared 2 is equal to 0. Then when you go to algebra, we have this expression as a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a minus b into brackets a plus b. Okay, so we can express this two as difference of two squared. Okay, so in this case, our a is this, then this is our b. Okay, so we are going to get a minus 4 all squared, okay, minus a squared, which is our b. Brackets, then brackets open, we have a minus 4 all squared plus a squared, bracket close, which is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to simplify what is in the bracket, which is equal to, so we are going to express this, as you can see, it's similar to this, so we are going to express it again as this. So it's going to be, so we are going to get a minus 4 plus a, okay, bracket close, bracket a minus 4 minus a, bracket close, then we open another bracket. Then here, it will be a squared, okay, plus 4 squared minus 2 multiplied by, then a multiplied by 4, okay, then plus our this, which is a squared, and it's equal to 0. Okay, so this expression is this, then our a squared. So now, which is equal to this and this, we get 2a minus 4 bracket. This and this will cancel, which is bracket negative 4 bracket close, then another bracket, this one a squared plus a squared, which is 2a squared, okay, then plus this, we are going to get 16, then minus 2 times 4, which is 8, plus times another a, which is 8a, and should be equal to 0. Okay, so now we are having two cases here, this and this. Okay, so case 1, we have 2a minus 4 all into brackets multiplied by negative 4 is equal to 0, and then the second case, which is 2a squared plus 16 minus 8a is equal to 0. Case 2. So let's solve the case 1 first. Now with this, we are having negative 4 bracket 2a minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we divide both sides by -4. Divide both sides by -4. So this will cancel this. We are going to get 2a minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now, what do you think a would be? So we are going to get 2a is equal to 4. Now we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So this one will cancel this, leaving a is equal to 4 on 2. And 2 goes into itself 1, goes into 4 2 times. So we say that a is equal to 2 for the case 1. A is equal to 2. Now let's come to the case 2. So with this, we can divide both sides by 2 to simplify the equation. So we divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So this one will cancel this, leaving a squared. Then this one goes to 8. So plus 8 is minus 4a equal to 0. So let's rearrange this equation properly. So we have a squared minus 4a plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, using the quadratic formula to solve this, we have our a is 1, b is -4, c is 8. So we have a is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. Okay, so now our which is equal to be negative, if we make a -4 plus or minus root of -4 all squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So let's see, it's equal to -4, negative times -4, which is 4 plus or minus the root of 4 squared is 16. So 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 8, which is 32, all on 2. So our a is equal to 4 plus or minus root of, now 16 minus 32 is -16, all on 2. So now you can see that our a is equal to 4 plus or minus, this can express it as root 16 multiplied by root -1 all on 2. So which is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 is 4 multiplied by root -1 all on 2. And don't forget, negative root -1 the same as I. Okay, so our a is going to be 4 plus or minus 4 root, sorry, -1. Let's write this. So to replace this -1 with I, we are going to get 4 plus or minus 4i on 2. Okay, so which is 2 goes into 4 2 times, plus or minus 2, which is 2i. Okay, so this is our answer for case 2. So in this equation, our a is equal to 2, and then our a is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i. So this is our solution for this question. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. Bye.